Favorite male? Wayne, if you're watching, and I know you're not.
That's it.
This is the boy you wanted me to breed with that girl. Just those two. He's doing pretty good.
Was he also on the lower climb?
Yes. He's got a little, what do you call that on the fin? Is that like fin rod or something? Or is
Where?
it this
Oh, that?
Yeah.
No, that's just from the stress of being in the net. That's just that.
Okay.
They just pink up like that.
Okay, Karen, are you able to get good pictures with this much water?
Through his tail, you can see every blood
Yeah,
vessel.
I need them at
red at the
6 o'clock.
near the peduncle.
Come on, baby boy.
I think we got,
Hold on,
not
baby.
that big, we might take out some water.
Okay, can we take out a little water?
I'm just gonna come straight this way with it. Fish and all, eh? Look, he's a joker.
Yeah, we've stressed this guy out. That's why he's got little red, capillary action
So
on.
his growth is not the same as the
No,
other.
he's not as big. He's not. But I guess if he'd bred with that great big mama fish, I'll turn him around again. Come on, sweetie. Come on.
He's still honey. He's nice looking.
Thank you.
Maybe there's a danger of picking a brood stock that's too small.
So I think
Unless
that
it's
makes
bantam
4
or
males that are keepers.
He's got a
I
cute
only get
face.
3.